Well, you guys, this really stinks, but as you guys probably seen in the video, I was setting the bucket down and it crushed this log inside of here, which I didn't see till it was too late. Looks like it was forcing the starter to kick on after the motor died. We could have a fuel leak right there too, Grandpa.
Yeah, that's what I'm afraid of. It might catch it fire.
Yeah. Yeah. So immediately after I tried figuring out how to shut it off, I couldn't figure out anyway, so I just disconnected the battery, which hopefully saved whatever went wrong. So we're gonna try and work through this. You cannot tell how disappointed I am with this kind of stuff happening.
A little mud here. A lot of mud.
This
here.
is not what I expected happening. And then on top of that, I forgot the chainsaw fuel and the bar oil. So, and my wife, I was expecting her to want to, you know, come out and play with the kids, but she's cramping up and she's not feeling good, so she's just sitting in the car, you know. I was kind of expecting this to be kind of like a family thing, and then it just ended up being me and Grandpa working, which really irritates me. So hopefully this saw has enough chainsaw gas to get it going, and we'll see if we can get this out and assess the situation, because I don't want to try and start it up and see if stuff is broken in there. It did kill the engine, so I'm guessing, I don't know what could have killed the engine. Probably loss of fuel, maybe. Could be loss of fuel, could be
the throttle thing that's got pushed the other way too.
Well, how would the throttle? Oh yeah, the kill switch throttle could have been. That's probably what killed it.
We'll find out.
That's good to know. That's probably what did it though.
Well, let's hope.
Let's hope. So. Hopefully we can get this out without causing too much. The other chainsaw's out of gas, so we got this chainsaw. Hopefully there's enough fuel in here that we can. Not a whole lot of fuel left in the chainsaw, so we got it going. Okay. Let's just be careful, Grandpa, when we're pulling this out.
Pull that out and see what it.
We gotta get this on camera too, because for some reason my viewers enjoy seeing everything go south. You know, so.
If you don't have anything go south, you don't get any experience.
Yeah.
I
I'd
guess
rather not experience this kind of thing. I don't want my machine broke.
no, or burn up.
Or burn up. Okay. So, you have a flashlight? We're not going to be able to start this thing.
On my.
There's a lot of stuff that's going wrong right there. I'm going to take you guys in for a close-up. Do you have a phone, flashlight?
Yeah, let me get my glove off first.
That way we can show these guys firsthand. YouTube is hard because of this. Me as an owner, I just want to dive in and fix what's wrong. But when I'm running a YouTube channel, I kind of have to show you guys what is going wrong, when my mind is just saying, just fix it already, just quit wasting time. So as you can see here, looks like right here, this cable came in contact with the starter and was jumping the starter. Burned that cable up. This is the throttle kill switch cable. That's why the motor got killed. It got pushed down, which, here, shine it up here, pulled this lever back. Right here, pulled this back. That's what killed it initially. And then this got so hot, the wire burned in half. Right?
Yep.
Wire burned in half. What else is down here? What's this?
Yeah.
This is the throttle. The whole bracket got bent.
Broke.
Well, it's bent.
Is it just bent?
Yeah, it's
Yeah,
just
I
bent.
guess it's bent. And it looks like,
Okay, looks like this right here is broke off.
did that burn off of the,
That burn off of
I
something.
think the wires there got shorted together.
Yeah, this I think goes onto that. Possibly. I'm gonna have to go back and look at some of my previous videos. You're blocking the camera with the phone. Okay, so we're done using the backhoe today. It's done. We're gonna have to get some connectors, and that's gonna have to be moved, and we're gonna have to get another cable right here, kill switch cable. What else? We need to assess the fuel lines too. Do the fuel lines look, they kind of look like they're intact. This oil dipstick, this thing got toast.
Yeah, it looks like
That
it's
got bent all the way over. What else? Anything else seem out of the ordinary? I think that's it.
Yeah, that's the cable back there, that one.
Not happy about this, guys. This is... Say a prayer for me, guys. This is the kind of stuff that happens as an owner operator, and you have to diagnose these things on site. And yeah, I didn't see any fuel leak. What it probably was, this right here. What's that? That's fuel right here on top of this. Smell it.
Yeah, it could be.
It could just be seeping out though.
Yeah,
I mean,
that
that
could be
could.
your kill switch thing there.
Yeah. That could have caused a fire though. Like it was starting to smoke, right? There's fuel vapor on this right here because that's the fuel pump, right? And this right here, what caught fire almost. It was smoking, right? It burned this wire in half.
I think that wire was red hot and burning both directions.
It was.
When
Well,
when
look
I
at
hollered,
it.
Yeah.
You can see. Here, you see the wire I'm looking at? There you go. Look at that wire. You can tell it got white hot. It got red hot. It burned the galvanizing coating off of it. Right?
It looked like it was on fire for a moment there when I was hollering, disconnect battery.
Yeah. Look how close the fuel bowl is to that right there. I mean, that could have been ultimate disaster right there. Good thing I installed that kill switch. That battery kill switch. If that battery kill switch I hadn't installed 2 months ago been on there, this could have been a burnt up machine.
Hi.
Right there. So I'm glad I installed that battery kill switch, but I'm sorely disappointed this had to happen. We're trying to get this thing unstuck, and we were getting there. We were definitely getting there. I mean, I was trying to pull myself this way so we could kind of turn around and just use the hoe to dig up these stumps. But that's not gonna happen. And backhoe's just gonna have to sit here for a while until we decide what we're gonna do. But I think the rest of the day,
Looks like the family's coming.
yeah, it does look like they're coming out. Of course, they're gonna come out and see me in my most embarrassing moment when my machine is broke. I guess we're just gonna turn this into a family event where we have fun, pick up sticks.
Play a game of pickup sticks.
Yeah,
We used to
pick up
do that when we were
sticks.
kids. A lot smaller sticks though.
I just can't believe that we broke down right here. This is just... We didn't break any hydraulic lines or anything,
Nope,
though.
not that I can see.
But that cable is very important, though.
Oh yeah, you got to be able to kill that engine.
Well, and the throttle cable is all bent out of shape. Who knows if it's going to work properly. I may have to...
Did he go over the top of his boots?
Yeah.
Did? You got water in your boot?
Yeah. I wasn't up that high.
Oh, okay.
It's close. It was close.
Okay.
Well, this is going to be into a family event from now, from the rest of the day. Dang it. I guess the backhoe's just going to sit here for a while until we figure out. We're going to have to come down another day and come down with some supplies and see if we can. And that's a homemade bracket too. Did you notice that?
Yeah.
That's a piece of angle iron. No wonder it bent so easy.
What happened?
Log come up, went in underneath the hydraulic.
Almost started a fire.
Oh,
So it's out of commission.
Yeah.
And the best of them all.
Okay, guys. We got my grandpa here. We got our bag of cardboard. And we got the diesel. And we got this little.
Want to do this on the ground or up here on the?
No, we can just do it right here.
All right.
We got this little contraption right here. It's basically a bucket. It's been torn up.
It's used for just about everything around my house. Keep it from raining.
There we go. That's a good idea.
What are you doing extra for? I think we got plenty in there.
Well, if it's gonna sit in there, it's gonna sit in that bucket.
Okay. You got the cameras?
Let's go over to the campfire.